The sheer weight of the timber represents thousands of potential copies of a book currently locked inside the raw fiber.
All right, back it up right there. Watch the swing, bring it down easy.
The debarked wood logs are fed into a high-speed chipper. Giant spinning blades reduce the solid logs into small.
The white pulp slurry is beaten by refiner plates to fray the fibers. An East Asian female engineer
minerals. In a giant vat, the refined pulp is mixed with water, fillers, and sizing agents. A worker adds
Water drains rapidly through the mesh belt as it travels. Vacuum boxes suck moisture out. The slurry
The paper snakes through a massive array of steam-heated cast iron cylinders. Steam billows around the machine.
Easy with that lift, watch the clearance. Copy that, bringing it in slowly.
A computer-to-plate machine lasers the book text onto aluminum printing plates. This is the bridge between digital
Suction cups lift individual sheets of paper and feed them into the press at lightning speed. The sheets rush by.
The gathered stack of paper enters the binder. The spine is milled and glued. A technician watches.
Gray board, a dense material, is cut into rigid rectangles. These will form the hard skeleton of the book cover.
The printed cover material is glued onto the rigid gray board pieces. The machine wraps the edges tight, and a worker inspects the finished case.
A machine wraps the glossy paper dust jacket around the hard book. Flaps are tucked inside. A worker ensures.
Here you go, just need a signature on the tablet.
Alrighty, thanks. Got some good titles in these boxes.
All right, that's $22.50.
Okay, tapped it.
Perfect. Here's your bag. Enjoy the book.
A worker sorts it. This paper will be pulped again, mixing with new wood to create new products, closing the loop.